Hey guys, and welcome to today's Fab In 5. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of MAC Cosmetics' newest launches, and that is the Color Excess Gel Pencil Eyeliner. So this is an ultra pigmented waterproof gel pencil eyeliner with 24 plus hours of wear on the eyelids and 12 hours of wear on the water lines. So it's supposed to be extremely long wearing, extremely pigmented. There's bright, fun colors in this collection. It is super exciting and I cannot wait to test it. So if you're interested in finding out how this guy performs and how it wears, I will be doing a wear test, then keep on watching. It comes with like regular colors like black, brown, white, the colors you would expect in a pencil liner collection, but it also comes with some really fun colors like cobalt blue and yellow and teal. And then there's the one that I got, which is bright lilac, and it is called Commitment Issues. So this is the actual shade there swatched on my hand. I swatched it just a little bit ago, and you can see it is not going anywhere. So it really does look super long wearing, but let's go ahead and see how it actually does on the eyes. So I'm going to do a really simple eye look today as I want the focus to be the eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and do a winged liner with this purple, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it all along here and then do kind of like a smoked out lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. Okay, so application went really well. On the lids, it glided nicely, but not too slippy. It glided really well, no tugging, but it was firm enough that it wasn't moving everywhere. You could still get really precise lines. It doesn't come with a sharpener, so if you have like a little one that you can use, you could sharpen it. But I found that I was able to get like the wings really nice and precise. The lines were thin enough, and it did go on the waterline really well. I find some eyeliners don't even apply nice and pigmented on the waterline, but as you can see, it's nice and purple there. So I'm really happy with application. Everything went well, but we have to see how it wears. So I'm going to go ahead about my day and see how this eyeliner holds up. I'm going to let you guys know at the end of the day, and I will keep you guys updated. So I will see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so it has been almost 5 hours now. We have no smudging at all. She's staying on there really well. And in the lower waterline, it actually has stayed really well considering I took my son to the park today and my eyes have been so sensitive since pregnancy. I mean, they already were, but especially now they're like really, really dry. And so when I'm outside and it's windy at all, they just start watering like crazy. So I kept, pressing here, the inner corners, and it's still there. I mean, it's maybe not like 100% perfect like when I applied it, but it's holding up really well. So I'm impressed so far. Okay guys, so I have an Instagram filter on right now because I had some clients this evening and wore a mask and my face is looking a little rough, but it doesn't change the color of the eyeliner or anything. So this eyeliner is going absolutely nowhere on the skin. Like, literally to the point where I could rub it, not coming off. So A+ for this eyeliner. It 100% lives up to the claims. The waterline, now it has been like a little over 11 hours, and it's definitely worn off the waterline a little bit. I wouldn't say It lasts up to 12 hours, 100%. Definitely happy with the wear, not only on the skin, but on the waterline as well. I would say I didn't really notice much fading until like the last hour or two. So it lasts a really, really long time. I'm really happy with the pigmentation, the color of it. I'm honestly obsessed with this eye look. So I'm probably going to end up grabbing a couple more of these eventually. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.